As we age, mobility becomes one of the most important parts of fitness. Strong muscles matter, but if your joints become stiff and your balance declines, everyday activities become harder. The good news? Just a few minutes of mobility training each day can help improve flexibility, reduce stiffness, enhance balance, and keep you moving confidently for years to come. Welcome to All Ages Fitness channel. We focus on quality and healthy movement. Before we begin, this routine is designed for adults over 40, and you can adjust the intensity based on your age, fitness level, and mobility. If you're in your 40s and feel comfortable with exercise, increase your range of motion. Perform the movement slightly faster while staying in control. Aim for 15 to 20 repetitions instead of 10. Make your leg swings larger and your squats deeper. Hold balance exercises for 20 to 30 seconds. If you're in your 50s, follow the workout exactly as demonstrated. Focus on quality movement rather than speed. Stay consistent and perform mobility training regularly. Consider adding light strength training 2 to 3 times per week to support muscle and bone health. If you're over 60, use a chair, wall, or sturdy support whenever needed. Focus on smooth, controlled movement rather than range of motion. Take additional rest breaks whenever necessary. Remember, moving safely is always more important than moving farther. No matter your age, listen to your body and work at your own pace. No jumping, no complicated movements, no equipment required. Move at your own pace and stop if you feel pain. Now let's begin. Warm up. Neck mobility. Stand tall or sit comfortably. Slowly turn your head to the left. Return to the center. Now, turn to the right. Continue for 30 seconds. Next, gently look up. Then, look down. Move slowly and comfortably. Avoid forcing the range of motion. This exercise helps reduce neck stiffness and improve daily movement. Shoulder rolls. Stand tall. Roll your shoulders upward, backward, downward, and forward. Perform 10 slow circles. Now, reverse direction. Perform another 10 circles. Imagine drawing the largest comfortable circles possible. This movement improves posture and relieves tension in the shoulders and upper back.
Section 1.
Upper body mobility. Number 1. Arm circles. Extend both arms out to the sides. Begin making small circles forward. Perform 15 repetitions. Gradually increase the circle size. Now reverse direction. Perform 15 repetitions. Keep your chest lifted and shoulders relaxed. This exercise promotes healthy shoulder mobility and circulation. Number 2. Seated or standing thoracic rotations. Place your hands across your chest. Slowly rotate your upper body to the left. Return to center. Rotate to the right. Repeat 10 times per side. Focus on moving from your upper back rather than your hips. This helps maintain spinal mobility and improves posture. Number 3. Chair cat-cow. Sit near the front edge of a chair. Place hands on thighs. Round your upper back and tuck your chin. Hold briefly. Now lift your chest and gently arch your back. Repeat slowly for 10 repetitions. Coordinate movement with breathing. Exhale as you round. Inhale as you open the chest. This movement helps maintain a healthy, flexible spine. Section 2. Lower body mobility. Number 4. Hip marches. If you're in your 40s, lift the knees slightly higher for an extra challenge. If you're over 60, focus on smooth and controlled movement. Remain seated or stand beside a chair. Lift one knee. Lower it slowly. Switch sides. Continue alternating. Perform 20 total repetitions. Keep your posture upright. This exercise improves hip mobility and walking mechanics. Number 5. Hip circles. Adults in their 40s can make larger circles. Adults over 60 should move only within a comfortable range. Place your hands on your hips. Draw large circles with your hips. Perform 10 circles clockwise, then 10 circles counterclockwise. Move slowly and smoothly. This helps loosen tight hips and improve movement throughout the pelvis and lower back. Number 6. Supported leg swings. If you're in your 40s, increase the swing height slightly. If you're over 60, keep the movement smaller and controlled. Hold a sturdy chair. Swing one leg forward and backward. Perform 10 repetitions. Switch legs. Repeat for 10 repetitions. Use controlled movements. Do not swing aggressively. This improves hip flexibility and balance. Section 3. Ankles and balance. Number 7. Ankle circles. Lift one foot slightly off the floor. Rotate the ankle slowly. Perform 10 circles clockwise, 10 circles counterclockwise. Switch feet. Strong and mobile ankles are essential for walking safely and preventing falls. Number 8. Heel-to-toe rocking. Stand near a wall or chair. Rise onto your toes. Pause briefly. Rock back onto your heels. Repeat 15 repetitions. Move slowly and stay in control. This exercise improves ankle strength and stability.
Section 4. Balance training.
Number 9. Single leg balance hold. Ages 40 to 49 can hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Ages 50 to 59 can aim for 15 to 20 seconds. Ages 60 and above can start with 10 seconds and gradually build confidence. Hold on to a chair if needed. Lift one foot slightly from the floor. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Switch sides. Repeat twice per leg. Balance training becomes increasingly important as we age. Even short daily practice can significantly reduce fall risk. Number 10. Heel-to-toe walk. If balance is challenging, stay close to a wall or sturdy support. The goal is control, not speed. Walk slowly in a straight line. Place the heel of one foot directly in front of the toes of the other. Take 10 to 20 controlled steps. Keep your eyes forward. Use a wall for support if necessary. This exercise improves coordination, balance, and confidence while walking. Cool down. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Roll your shoulders gently. Stand tall. Notice how your body feels. More mobile, more flexible, more energized. Remember, mobility isn't about moving perfectly. It's about maintaining the freedom to move through life with confidence. Just 10 minutes a day can help you stay active, independent, and strong for years to come. If you enjoyed this routine, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to All Ages Fitness channel for more workouts, mobility routines, balance exercises, and healthy aging tips. Thanks for exercising with us today. Keep moving, keep improving, and we'll see you at the next workout.